Hi. In this video, let us see how tax has been charged on the interest received on delayed compensation or enhanced compensation. First of all, we'll have to declare this under the other sources of income when we file our income tax return. But how do we find out what is the taxable income? That is what we are going to cover in this. As per the Income Tax Act, it says that any interest received by an assessee on compensation or on enhanced compensation, as the case may be, shall be deemed to be the income of the year in which it has been received. And it also says that no matter whatever the method of accounting has been used, whatever the interest which has been received towards the compensation or the enhanced compensation is deemed to be the income of that year. And in case if you are receiving the income interest towards the previous years also, it is subject to the income tax on the year which you have received it to your account. And also where it has been eligible for 50% deductions. So that is in case if you have received interest towards last 2 years enhanced compensation and you're receiving it in the next third year. So whatever the income you have received, assuming that if you received one lakh, in that 1 lakh only 50% will be taxable and the 50% is exempted from tax. Let us try to understand this by doing a small problem. So as I said, the tax treatment, it is taxable under the income from other sources after allowing a standard deduction of 50% of such income. So here Mr. Alex has received 65,000, out of which 45,000 belongs to the previous year as an interest on delayed compensation. Such interest after allowing standard deduction shall be considered as an income for the previous year 2022-23, irrespective of the year in which the interest pertains. Here we can see that 45,000 belongs to the previous year, but it has been paid in next financial year, that is 22-23. So here, as I've mentioned down in the table, it is like what is the amount received, that is 65,000. What is the standard deduction as per the act? It says that 50% of the income has to be deducted. So that is 65,000 divided by you will be getting to 32,500, and whatever the amount has been left over, that is 32,500 is taxable. Okay. Let us also try to understand by one more example. And this, if you see, interest on enhanced compensation received by Mr. Alex during the previous year, that is 22-23, is 5 lakh. That 5 lakh belongs to three different years. In that, if you see, 1 lakh 50 belongs to the previous year of 2018-19, 1 lakh 65 belongs to the previous year of 2019-20, 1 lakh 85 relates to the previous year of 2021. So how is this going to be taxed in hands of Alex? So it goes like this. Interest on the enhanced compensation taxable under section 56 subsection 28 is 5 lakh. That is overall interest which we have received, which is received in the previous year of 22-23. And what is the standard deductions? That is 50% of the interest income. That is equivalent to 2 lakh 50. And the balance amount, whatever is left over, it will be taxed under income from other sources. So the total amount which is left over here is 2 lakh 50, and 2 lakh 50 will be charged towards this tax. I hope this has been clear. In case if you have any queries, please drop in your text in the chat box. I will get back to you on this.